Hi, so I am now going to teach you how to make the plarn itself. For this, you have a bag filled with the loops that you cut, and I like to use another reusable bag that the plarn will be put into. That way, this bag we can pass off to someone who is going to crochet the mats.
And it's easy to connect the multiple bags of loops to one another,
Yes,
correct?
it is. I can show you that at the end. So you start with one of your loops, like this. You'll take another one. You'll slide the first loop through it.
Over your hands here.
So it kind of makes a T, depending on how you're looking at it. And this is the tricky part. You'll place it through, you're making a slip knot, and you pull it. So I'll show that again. You have your loop, you place this one through it, put one hand through the loop, and I like to hold it down by the knot.
If you pull too hard, you rip
Yes.
it. Like
So
your
you
brother.
can't pull too hard, because my brother, he goes and pulls it really hard, and they will snap. So, but for the most part, it'll be fine.
Show it again.
Yep. So you have your loop. You take your other one, you slide it through the loop, creating that T. You slide it through the other one, pull the knot, and voila.
Okay.
And you just keep doing that until you have either run out of bags or your reusable bag is stuffed full. You don't want it overflowing, but you can fit a lot of plarn into one of these small
Grocery store bags.
grocery store bags. And then you just leave the end hanging out of the top, or you can even just wrap it around the handle. And then once you have that, there is an easy way where you can just pretend this is another bag, slide it through, and then you pull it around the bag
To connect.
to connect. That way you have two very long loops.
Now, why do you use the reusable bags, Lily?
I use the reusable bags because, one, they're better for the environment, and I feel like they stand up better. That way you don't, especially if you...
It also
just
keeps the
flip it
plarn
over.
from getting tangled, correct?
Yes. So sometimes, like if you roll it up into a ball like some do, then you have like this big wad, and it's not necessarily tangled, but then you need to unwind it while you're crocheting it. This, all you have to do is pull it out, and it doesn't tangle, which is really nice.
Okay. So, any
So-
other tips?
I'm not sure. I just really love it if you guys can help make plarn. That way we can get this service project really going. Thank you.